Hi everyone, I'm Jack. How are you doing today? Today, let's take a look at this problem. 1042, flower planting with no adjacent. We have n gardens labeled 1 to n. In each garden, you want to plant one of 4 types flowers. So these paths, x, y, describes the existence of a bidirectional path from garden x to garden y. Also, there is no garden that has more than 3 paths coming into or leaving it. Your task is to choose a flower type for each garden such that for any 2 gardens connected by a path, they have different types of flower. Return any such choices as an array answer, where answer I is the type of flower. The flower garden denoted 1, 2, 3, or 4 is guaranteed as an answer exists. This example, we're given 3 paths, 1, 2, 2, 3, or 3, 1. So it's a circle, and we can just plant 1, 2, 3. So each adjacent gardens are not with the same flower. So solve it. I think it's pretty straightforward. So we can just start from the first garden and to the last garden, and plant them one by one. If one is picked, is planted, and the gardens connected to this garden will have fewer options, fewer possibilities. So the the total possibility for a garden is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can just say when we plant a garden, we just remove the possible flower from the possible 4 gardens, for possible 4 flowers, right? So it's very straightforward. And things that the path is actually bi-directional. We need to sort it first. So let's see. We can see that there are some paths is 4, 1. We actually need 1, 4. So we first, actually I didn't try this problem before. It says it's labeled as easy. Let's say if I can finished. I can make it. So the first one, sort the bidirectional path to one directional. Okay. So there's paths, right? Paths. Sort A, B. I'll save this for each path. Sort A, B, A minus B. So this is the one directional, and then we will sort it by sort path A B, return A0 minus B0. So now the passes are or sorted, and we need to create, because not all of the we just remove the possibilities. Yeah, okay, so let's start with the first one. Start with 1 for the first garden. Const results equals 1, 4. for let I equals 2, no 1, I is smaller than n dot length, we will check for each garden. Okay. Okay. Yeah, actually, we will just count the first garden also into the for loop. Let's say there is a const possibility, let's say new map. Yeah, and the new map. Okay, if I equals 0, we will say const result push 1, and then let j equals 0. Well, paths j 0 equals I const plant no let plant equals null. If x0 was say plant equals 1, if not, we will get it from the new possibility. If it is 0, oh no, okay, it's actually not like this. If possibility has, if it doesn't have plant, if it doesn't have plant, okay, sorry, let options equals possibility get I. If there's nothing, so it should be 1. Okay, const plant equals options 0 or 1. Okay, so and for each path, if it starts with I, and then we will j plus, and we will set the possibility. So const options equals possibility get paths j1. If options if options okay, if there is, we use it. If not, if there is no options, oh, we'll set it. Set. Set it with new set 1, 2, 3, 4. If it doesn't has it, and then we will get it. Oh no. Options equal. Yeah, I think this way is better. Maybe. And we set with the options. So we can now get the options, and then we options delete. I think it's delete, right? New set 1, 2, delete 2. Okay, it's delete. Option delete. Delete what? Delete plant. And then we just do it until this garden is done, and then we push it. Result push plant. And when everything is done, and while j is equal to it, and while j is smaller than paths dot length. Okay, and then return results. Let's run it. Oh, okay. I made a mistake. It couldn't be changed. We push it, right? Plant. Cost of plant options. Put an output. N. Oh, sorry. N is a number. Okay. Shit. Let one options undefined. Of course, it's undefined. So plant options is defined. We actually got 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 outputs. So if not options. Console log jj. Okay, 1 undefined. Yeah, and then 1 undefined. Why? I plant. I 1 0, yeah, and then because J is huh? What? Wait. Console log I J J. J1 paths 1 1. It is the same, so actually 1. Okay, so when I get I 2, J is 2. Yeah, and then plant is undefined. But we will, okay, console possibility first map. Wow, it's map because J is 0, path is 0 0. What's the path? I should do some console log path. Yeah, the passes are alright. Okay, I 1, I 0, J 0, minus 1. Option is undefined. So J is smaller than the length, right? And passes 0 0 is 1. Ah, shit. Actually, this the path starts with the 1 based index, so I need to actually add it for 1. And when I get passes here, oh yeah, why don't we just put all one based? So 1, I is still 1 plus 1. Wow, J should be 0 based, but I should be. Wait a minute. Wait. I'm a little confused, but let's all stick to. Let's all stick to. Let's all stick to 0 based. So this here should be path is J 0 equals I minus 1. Here is passes, so minus 1 and then minus 1. Okay, 1 map, 1 1. Okay, 1 sorry, should plus 1. Okay, J got 0, and then we get 2, and then we need to get the possibility of 1 because there's no options. We set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the options should be delete the plant this 1, so it should be 2, 3, 4. After it, we say 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. It's alright. So we console log the possibilities and we return push 1, and then we go to the second one. The options is IJ choose this one, and oh, how can I get a set the first const a equals new set 1, 2 a is set a values. It's a reader. Next value. Shit, I need to say values next options. Okay. This should work, but I'm not sure whether it can pass the time limit. I don't know. Oh, it's luckily it passes, but it is really slow. It's really slow. I think there is something we can improve about using set to keep the possibilities. Let's say for 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum is 10. 1, 2, 3 should be 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whether we can have a number to improve it. 1, 2, 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3 is 5. 2, 3, 4 is 9. 2. And 3 is 3. Let's say it's 1, 20, 300, and 4,000. Something like this. Yeah. Now, deleting any of them will lead to a different sum. Okay, let's have a try. So, I'm not sure. Possibility, yeah, it's it could be a map, but the options should not be. So when the option is not, we'll say option is 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and possibility will set it to options, and then the options is not delete the plant. I will set it back. Options, set options. It should be options is minus by the plant. Okay, plant times math.poll and plant. By these, we update the options by a number, right? Okay, result push the plant. But when we get it, it should be options get. So it's options. So it's how can we get the options? It should be when I say it's it's we will set it to the minimum. Get option. I'll put it in another function. Get option. Option is a number. So wow. Wow, option mul by 10 is bigger than 10. Oh no, it's not bigger than 10. Is 20. Oh shit, how can I get first one? Let's say anyway, it doesn't matter what's the plan is. So if option is bigger than 4 is 4,000, return 4. Else if option is bigger than 300, return 3. Else if option is bigger than 20, return 22. Return 1. We run the code. Options delete. There is no options delete. Oh yeah. But he said, oh shit. Wait a second. J I options. Zero. The option is undefined, so plan is 1. Now J is a 1. And now we get still undefined. IJ options possibilities. So the first one is 1 0 0 Of course, the options the J is 0, so the next one is 2, so its option is undefined. And then we minus plant by polyplant. I made a mistake. Yeah, this should be the right thing. 143. Yeah, it works. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it is 123 or 143. Actually, we can change the get option here to return the small one, but we'll get the large one. Ah, it's wrong answer. Huh? One, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. It says any, right? So the last one is connecting to 3, 1, 2. Wait a sec. 9. So connected to 3, 2, 7, 7. 7. 1, 4. 1, 5. 5. 1, 1. Okay, should be okay. 1, 4, 5, 8. It's different. 2, 9, 3. 2, 3, 9. 2, 9. There's a mistake here. 2, 9. 2, 9. There is some mistakes. We will log down. Console log I possibilities. 1, 0, 2, 3, 1. 0 possibility is okay, sorry. This is the input. Okay, the first round always first one. We get 4, 3, 7. 4, 3, 7. That's right. So they should be without 1. Sure. And this, we got this. Go to the second one too, because there's no 1, 2, so 2 is also 1. So we got 2 and 3. Two is 1, so wait a second. Here we just say okay, we get 1, 0. So the second one is 1. We should get the 1. It's also a 0, but we set what we set is 2. It's 437. It's right. And when I is 1, so you should start with 2. 2, 3. And we add it, so it should be set to 2 and 8. It's the same, right? Okay. Now we go to 3. 3 is 6 and 9. So 5 and 8. We add 5. 2 is only this, so we set it to 4. For 5 is 301. For 8 is 300. 8 is 0, yeah. And then we go to 3. 3, we are only get 300, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. So 4, 5, 4, 5, remove 5 is okay. Yeah, here's the problem. I see what happens. We only minus bar if it's smaller than it. If the so it should be delta. Is this delta is smaller than option math delta is option. It must be 0, so math max 0 delta. Oh shit. This should be divided from the delta, but it might be bigger than delta. If that's bigger, then we don't need to delete it. It's weird. If the delta is smaller than options, then options can remove it. Let us see if we can improve. There's still mistake. Let's see. When we go to the 5, there is a 5. There's no 5, so it's should be kept the same. 4, 5, 6, 5, 7. 5, 7. Yeah, there is. So for 4, it should be 3. So remove 3, and it is like this. That's right. For 5, and we say 3, 2, 1. So we say it is 3, and there's 6, 7, 6. So it should be 6. Yeah, it's still there is mistakes. Yeah, we cannot just remove the part of delta because it's smaller than it. It should be checked if they can remove it. Maybe the new set is to return back to the original solution, but we are stopped using the new set, but we just use a new it's a little faster because sorry, I forgot to remove my console. Maybe we can just use a new set. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can just use splice or set is faster. I don't know. Here we just say the option is 0 and possibly get it exception. And plant, because we said the plant, actually we can just access it through index. We splice it. We splice plant -1, 1. It should be given the right same. I don't know. It's not right. Okay. We get it. Okay. We set it. Okay. Set the options. Options 0. Yeah. We splice it. The plan actually splice it as this. Yeah. It should be the same. What? Something wrong here. Possibility. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then go to the second one. Say that it's 2. Ah. Mhm. Because we already pushed the second one to 2. So we should remove the 2. Ah, shit. It is a set actually. Anyway, last one. Let's not get we will create another function, get options for I equals 0 smaller than options and plus plus if options I get a 0 return options I, and we get options we run the code. Okay, there's a time limit exceeded. Okay, let's look at the fastest one. Wow, this solution is really fast. Color is okay. I don't know what they're doing, but they're really fast. Anyway, I'll take a look at it someday later. This solution is very easy to understand, and we passed, and yeah. I'll remove this get option. Oh, sorry. Okay. Not good, but we can improve in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Hope you can learn something, and I can learn something also. It's really drains my brain for some tricks for analyzing those problems. Actually, I hate it. I like simple solutions. It doesn't make our brains confusing. But anyway, that's Google needed. I don't know why. Yeah, I know why. Yeah, there's no other way. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.